Welcome to BilashAI. BilashAI is a lightweight AI-powered web application built with Google Gemini and Streamlit. What makes BilashAI different is its categorical prompt system. Instead of a single generic chatbot, BilashAI can switch between multiple expert roles, such as a math tutor, Python developer, career mentor, creative writer, and many more, based on the selected category. Each category uses a specialized system prompt to deliver more accurate, focused, and context-aware responses. Let's test BilashAI by switching between different categories and see how it performs. First, I opened the browser and typed bilashai.mysubrata.com in the search bar. We can now see BilashAI being launched through animation. Before using BilashAI, let's create an account. Here, I will sign up using an email address and a password. Once the sign up is complete, I will log in to access the chatbot dashboard. After logging in, BilashAI is ready to use. At first, let's use BilashAI as a general assistant. First, I asked, "Who are you?" How beautiful he responds. What are the benefits of using AI in daily life? Notice how the response is polite, concise, and easy to understand. Now I will switch to the math tutor role. 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. Solve this equation step by step. You can see that BilashAI explains each step clearly, just like a real tutor. Next, let's try the science teacher category. Explain photosynthesis with a real-world example. The explanation is simple, structured, and beginner-friendly. Now switching to Python category mode. Write a clean Python function to check if a number is prime. Notice the focus on clean code, efficiency, and best practices. Let's move to the Career Mentor category. What skills should a beginner learn to start a career in data science? The response is practical, realistic, and career-oriented. Now I will select Creative Writer. Write a short story about an AI helping a human. You can see how BilashAI instantly adapts its tone and creativity. Now I will export the entire chat history as a PDF file. This feature is useful for saving conversion notes or study material. Next, I will clear the chat history. As you can see, the conversion resets instantly for a fresh start. Finally, I will log out of the application. This ensures account security and completes the user session. Here is the structure of my project. As you have seen, BilashAI is not just a chatbot, it's a multi-role AI assistant powered by categorical system prompts. Whether you need help with education, programming, business, creativity, or personal growth, BilashAI adapts instantly to your needs. This makes it a powerful example of how prompts engineering and role-based AI can significantly improve your experience. Thank you for watching and feel free to explore BilashAI further.